the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a Grand Cherokee here. This one got hit in this right rear corner. I'm gonna put one more thin coat over this lift gate. It's looking really close, but I'll fix a couple little minor spots. Alright, this one is looking good. I'm going to go ahead and fit up my parts just to double check, and then I'll get it primed up. Alright, I got this one all fit together. I don't have a latch in this lift gate, so I'm just holding it shut. But my gaps here look good. Then my taillight and the bumper, everything's fitting nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull this back apart and get it all primed up. I have a Dodge Ram here. This one is getting 2 new doors, and then it has rocker panel damage. You can look down it, you can see how this is all bowed in right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start my repairs on this rocker panel, start working this metal out. I should be able to, if I grab each of these lines just right and start pulling it out, it'll go back into shape pretty nicely. So in order to bring this out, I'm gonna weld a couple tabs on the edge of this 90-degree angle right here, like that. Then I'll pull that out, and then I'll come down and I'll probably work this line next. But I'm gonna start right here. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put a tab over here now. You can see how much this is bowed in on this, over in this area. And when I hold this up to the other side, it's perfectly straight. So this needs to come out right here. Shouldn't take much. Now you can see we are almost perfect right there. I'm gonna work this bottom line. I'm gonna do this one a little differently. I'm gonna put these keys all the way across this bottom line on the edge. Then I'll put a bar through them, and I'll show you how I'm gonna go about pulling these keys out all the way across.